Hello guys and welcome to a new video sponsored by Skinclub. Today on our balance is $3,500 and we're gonna try to make as much profit we can with this $3,500 guys. If you never use Skinclub guys, like always we prepare that link down in the description under this video, so go claim that link and activate 7% deposit bonus on every deposit that you want to do on Skinclub. More money, bigger chances to win something good guys. First, claim that link, activate this plus 7% deposit badge, then go top up and you can choose deposit options. Like you can see, everything is supported on Skinclub. Almost every cryptocurrency, Binance Pay, Skins, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard, everything guys. But first, to get absolutely best bonus, claim that link down in the description and get 7% more money on every deposit that you want to do on Skinclub guys. Okay, we are on winning streak guys, and I hope today we're gonna continue that. I'm hoping we're gonna continue that winning streak today. Let's try 3 guys. Let's try 3 guys. Let's warm up with this. Come on, do it for VDN again. Last video was wonderful. We made so much money guys. So much money. So much money for VDN. Come on. Come on, we need to make something here. We need to make some money here. Okay, just don't rip me on last case. We are in the lead, I think. Oof. Okay, easy, 800 bucks. I was scared. I thought we lost. I was scared. 2k, hello. First battle 2k, GG. Wonderful, wonderful. Now 2v2. Oof. 2v2. 2v2, 2v2, 2v2. What to test guys? What to test? $100. What to test? Okay, overtime case. 11 overtimes, come on. 11 overtimes, come on. Oof, can this pay? Can this pay? Guys, one more time, claim that link down in the description. Activate absolutely best bonus on site. Get 7% more. Oh, get 7% more money on everything that you want to deposit on site. Guys, we're losing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. They're killing us. Unless some miracle happens. Unless we got some miracles. It's gonna be rough. It's gonna be rough. That Karambit 1.2k really killed us. Come on. We won good money, but that Karambit killed us. That Karambit make really big difference, yeah. Yep. Oof, it paid really good money guys, it paid really good money. Let's sell some. Okay, 2.1. 2.1. 2.1. 2.1. Should we try butterfly case? We can want 10k ruby. We need 20 bucks. We need 20 bucks. We have points. We have points. Guys, collect points. For these points you can buy money. You can buy cases. You can buy skins. Okay, butterfly knives. Butterfly knives all in. Okay, if this pay money, If this pays money. Okay, we got first butterfly 1.2k. Let's go. Come on, let's get one more. Let's get one more. Oh my god, look at that ruby 10k butterfly. Come on, one more knife. Please, one more knife. Don't drop the worst one. Come on. Drop one more just to be safe, please. Drop one more knife to be safe, please. Oh my god, come on, one knife. This is not enough to be break even. Hello. Hello. Oof, they got knife too, guys. Are we gonna win this? Oof, okay. Oof, 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 oof. Comeback on knife cake. Guys, that's it. I'm not gonna risking my money again. We made some profit. We made at least $500 profit. That's enough for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Claim that link down in the description. Activate absolutely best bonus. Get 7% on everything that you want to deposit. And guys, enjoy playing on Skinclub with more money. Link in description and go play, test your luck on Skinclub and enjoy playing it. Guys, love you all and we're gonna see you in the next video. Ciao!